So this is the first job opening that we have. Someone is hiring for VAPT. So if you have passed out in 2025 or you are about to pass out in 2025, this is for you. So this is specialized for BTech, BE and CS actually. And this is a 100% offline job which is in computer. I guess it's in, if I'm not wrong, it's near Bangalore. Interview will be on 23rd of February 2025. And this is for the people those who are staying in computer only, or if you can move out, because companies mostly prefer out to save their money, so they want some local people. And those who can immediate join, you can go, right? This QR code you can scan, or you can go little back so that you can check out this thing, right? So just scan this QR code to check out. So basically they are looking for two persons. First thing, the interns. Okay, so freshers can apply actually, and another one is full-time employee. So you can look onto it. If you want to apply, just scan this QR code, or if you want, you can just check out this URL. And it's in, the company is BC Buzz Technologies. This is the website, bcbuzz.io, and the location is India, UAE, Australia, and Africa is the work location. Now next is someone is looking for um, Rapid 7 specialist remote, which is an India job. MS 365 again, it's in India. MS 365 consultant, which is in India, and it's a hybrid, which means sometimes you have to work from the office, sometimes you need to work from the home, right? Another is cybersecurity consultant in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and another is RSM cybersecurity, which is in Philippines. So that's good to go. This is the mail ID where you can apply, talent@embassolution.com, and accordingly you can do, right? Company name is embassolutions.com. You can check out their website as well, so that you will get to know exactly what are the other openings they have. But for the meantime, you can apply for this job role, okay, accordingly if you fit for this. Now let's move to next role. So Sequoias is looking for freshers, SOC analyst, right? And like if you have no experience, but if you have knowledge, you can join. BE, BSc, IT, BTech, MTech, MC, anyone can join. And location is Mumbai, so you need to work from Mumbai actually. So it depends on what they are hiring for, in-house people or someone with a remote job. So just scan this QR code, you'll get to know about all those things. Career@securetech.com is the mail ID where you can apply for. Next is junior technical support engineer, right? The company is Virtutech. Role is security analyst intern. Hyderabad is the location, and the responsibility which will be assigned to will be, you need to do conduct VAPT for the system application, whatever client they have. You need to find out the flaws, APIs, वगैरह, web testing, and all those things will be there. And collaboration with the IT dev team, documentary security findings. There are tools in which you should have to be proficient, Bob suit, OAuth, CHAP, and all those things. Okay, and you can, if you are willing to learn, you can also join. This is a fresher role as far you know, and you can send your resume on careers@virtualtech.com. Subject will be security analyst intern application. So it's in Ahmedabad. Okay, they want freshers as well. If you have experience of 2 to 3 years, you can join, right? And 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. will be the timing for the location interview, I guess. Working time, I guess. Yeah, this is working time. And freshers can join. Diploma with a degree in hardware networking can join. CTC will be something they're going to provide you, which will be the best in the market. So HRA Ajax Network Solution is the company name, Ajax Network Solution, and email is hr@ajax network solution. So you can apply accordingly, right? Now the next role is cybersecurity specialist. So there are 5 openings. It's in Kolkata, and you have to handle the project which is given by the your seniors. Need to lead the technical team. Qualification will be BTech, preferable MTech. By BTech वालों को दबदबा है. So do BTech if you're not doing. Okay, if you want to stay in technical, what do you say, a technical line, then BTech is something you good degree you can pursue for. बाकी यार टैलेंट है तो कुछ भी कर सकते हो कहीं से. So this is what exactly we call it in the cybersecurity domain. And this is the mail ID, still silp.icss@gmail.com, from where you can apply. And in subject line, write down cybersecurity analyst, so you can do it, right? Next is, yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for joining. If you have any question, please ask. Accordingly, we can find it, right?